Welcome to Genius Inventions. Today we're showcasing the incredible TL360 bale wrapper. This state-of-the-art machine is a game-changer in agricultural wrapping technology. With its efficient design, the TL360 expertly wraps bales to preserve silage quality, ensuring optimal feed for livestock. Its ease of use and time-saving capabilities make it a must-have for modern farmers. Watch how smoothly it operates, wrapping bales uniformly, a true testament to agricultural innovation. Next up on Genius Inventions, the Hydrocon HK390 Bordura S9 Plus L6, an impressive knuckle boom crane that's revolutionizing the construction industry. With its remarkable 29.54 m hydraulic vertical outreach and a manual reach of up to 34.79 mm, this crane stands out for its versatility and strength. Its precision in lifting and moving heavy materials is unparalleled. Whether it's for complex construction sites or large-scale projects, the HK390 Ju S9 Plus L6 is the epitome of engineering excellence. Now, let's talk about a true giant, the Big Bud 16V747. This tractor is not just big, it's the largest in the world. With its massive horsepower and unparalleled size, it represents the pinnacle of agricultural machinery. The Big Bud 16V747 is more than a tractor. It's a legend in the farming community, capable of handling the most challenging agricultural tasks with ease. Its sheer presence and power make it a marvel in modern farming machinery. Now, we feature the McCormick X8, a tractor that combines style, power, and technology. This tractor is a perfect blend of high performance and advanced technology, designed to meet the needs of modern agriculture. With its comfortable cabin, intuitive controls, and efficient fuel consumption, the McCormick X8 is not just about power, it's about smart farming. Whether plowing fields or towing heavy loads, the X8 does it with unmatched efficiency and ease. Today, we're showcasing the Comtech Crambo E-Mobile, a groundbreaking innovation in waste processing. This electrically driven shredder is a game changer, designed to handle all types of waste materials with exceptional efficiency. Its unique dual-shaft system ensures precise shredding, while the electric drive minimizes emissions. Imagine a future where waste management becomes eco-friendly and highly efficient, thanks to the Crambo E-Mobile. Next up on Genius Inventions, dive into the world of advanced agriculture with the ASA Lift Cabbage Harvester. This specialist machine is tailored for effective and gentle cabbage harvesting. Its state-of-the-art technology ensures that cabbages are harvested with minimal damage, enhancing both quality and yield. Picture a farm where cabbages are harvested swiftly and smoothly, revolutionizing the way we gather our greens. Then, the Svedruk TMF 2821 Log Stacker. This machine is a testament to Svedruk's experience and know-how in creating heavy-duty, reliable machinery for log handling. With a lifting capacity of 28 tons and a total weight of 45 tons, it's built for high productivity. The TMF 2821 is not just powerful but also operator-friendly, ensuring a good work environment. It features a patented Svedruk pickup system, GPS tracking, load sensing, and stability control, making it a smart choice for efficient and safe log handling. Lastly, the Tiemann PBS Tri-Train. This 42M PBS combination is a revolutionary addition to the tanker industry. With a gross combination mass of 148 tons and an impressive diesel payload exceeding 125 kHz, it's designed for heavy-duty tasks. Operating on Level 3 approved routes, the Tri-Train features a unique coupling system, allowing it to maneuver more easily than traditional large tanks. Its robust undercarriage can handle up to 15,000 gallons of diesel, making it a powerful solution for the recycling industry, sawmills, and material handling. Moving on, let's explore the Grimm Onion Harvest VT170. This impressive machine is a testament to modern agricultural innovation, specifically designed for efficient onion harvesting. With its advanced features, the VT170 ensures onions are harvested with care, maximizing both the quality and quantity of the yield. Imagine fields of onions being harvested effortlessly, streamlining the process from farm to table. Finally, we turn our attention to the Oxbow AT504 applicator. This marvel of agricultural technology represents a significant leap in crop treatment efficiency. The AT5104 is designed for precision application of treatments, ensuring crops receive the perfect amount of nutrients or protection. It's a dream come true for farmers seeking to maximize crop health and productivity with minimal waste and environmental impact. Welcome to the world of revolutionary engineering. Today we're exploring the TII Swirl Rotor Blade Transport System, a marvel in the transportation of wind turbine blades. With its innovative design, this system can navigate through the most challenging terrains with ease. The adaptability of this transport system allows for the safe and efficient delivery of gigantic rotor blades to remote wind farm locations. Its advanced engineering minimizes the risk of damage during transit, ensuring that renewable energy projects stay on track. Truly, the TII Swirl is not just transporting blades, it's carrying the future of sustainable energy. Next up is the Kalbacher Praxos 250, a game-changer in the world of snow management. This robust snow cutter blower is designed to tackle the toughest winter conditions. Equipped with a powerful engine and a state-of-the-art snow cutting mechanism, the Praxos 250 can clear roads and runways in record time. Its reliability in extreme weather conditions makes it a trusted partner for municipalities and airport authorities. The Praxos 250 doesn't just move snow, it redefines winter road safety. Let's dive into the dynamic world of construction with the Zoomlion SIFA 101-7RZ. This concrete boom pump stands out with its impressive reach and precision. Its 101-meter boom is a testament to engineering excellence, providing unmatched flexibility and efficiency on construction sites. The 101-7RZ is not just a machine, it's a pivotal player in building the skylines of tomorrow. Whether it's laying the foundation of a skyscraper or filling in the intricate spaces of a complex structure, this pump ensures that every pour is precise and efficient. Finally, we turn our attention to the agricultural sector with the Grimm Rexor 6300. This beet harvester is a titan in the field, revolutionizing the way we harvest root crops. With its high-capacity storage and efficient harvesting mechanism, the Rexor 6300 maximizes yield and reduces waste. It's not just a harvester, it's a beacon of innovation in sustainable farming. As it moves through the fields, it symbolizes a commitment to feeding the world while respecting the earth.